Hi guys, I'm on the floor with my John Lewis dishwasher. John Lewis dishwasher. If you're clicking on this video, you probably want to see what it looks like. We've had this for 6 months and think it's great. In the video you're about to see, I wondered if this would be good. The controls are fantastic. We get loads in. We're really happy with it, but here is what it looked like when it was fresh off that green truck, that green lorry. This is what it was like when it had not been used, and it's an unboxing. So this is the John Lewis JLD WW1301. And it's just arrived. I've just plugged it in, and I think it works. You can see the red buttons there, the red lights. Like this. It's a bit plasticky, but that's what we thought we would get. Yeah, it kind of sounds like that when you go around. Won't hit start just yet because it needs to show you how it comes packaged. It's in the door. And inside, this is what it looks like when it arrives. Yes. Just showing you this because you don't really get to see it on the website. And down below, and you can see the spinny thing comes out with the tray, and then you push it back, it connects itself. Oh, there, on, hello. And down below, it's the rinse head and the tablet flaps. I guess this is from the testing when it left the factory. You can see there's different settings there. Turns around, I think. So I'll set that in a minute. Who does that, right? There we go. Over to the side. We're going to give it a go this time because our last dishwasher made everything cloudy. Just want to get the settings right. Do you know what? Get the magic IKEA scissors. Never find them. We've got about 50 of them. There's some. Okay. The bottom tray is the cutlery basket. I guess you can take the lid off if you wanted. So I'm trying to do this and hold the camera at the same time. There you go. So that you can either have that on or take it off. Basket look. That might be easier. Anyway, keep that to one side. There's the funnel for the salts. I'll show you the filter in a second. I guess this fits down there as well as in the corner. You've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 prongs and little prongs at the back. Same on the other side. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 prongs at the front. Inside.
Daddy.
Hang on. Daddy's trying to put something on YouTube again. It's the filter. So I'll put the light on for this one. Here's the filter. There you go. Just line up the arrows. There's an arrow there, I guess. And that lines up with there. So you've got the coarse filter. And then the twist the fine filter out. Fine mesh. I'll be seeing you in 3 months' time. I know from the very dull comments that I get, my bad jokes, that I know it's got to be done before 3 months. Thank you. Oh yeah, and then there's the big filter here. Slide it out. Put it in there. And then you've got to lock it in with that at the front. And then I guess line up the arrows. And then twist. Yeah, that's locked. So there you go. Salt's there. That's it. John Lewis dishwasher. I hope this has helped. If it has, give me a thumbs up or click subscribe under the video or in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, I think. And if you've got any questions, I'll try and answer them. I just use the thing. That's it. Like I said, the controls are great. It's just so simple to use. Really happy with it. If this video has helped you at all, why not show me by clicking a thumbs up or clicking on subscribe. It really helps me know which videos help. And good luck with your John Lewis dishwasher. Oh!
My daddy's got 76 subscribers. Be number 77. Bye. Bye.